Hello, today we are going to talk about Capri Global Bank Home Loan. Let's talk about eligibility criteria. Any salaried person and self-employed are eligible for Capri Global Bank Home Loan. Having monthly salary which is enough to pay EMI. Applicant age should be between 21 years to 75 years for salaried and 21 years to 75 years for self-employed. His or her CIBIL score should be more than 650 and -1 CIBIL applicant. Now let's talk about loan criteria. If person is eligible, he/she may get loan amount up to 10 lakh to 1.50 crore. Tenure will be 5 years to 25 years. Login fees will be if loan will be less than 40 lakh to 25,000. And if loan will be more than 40 lakh and less than 4,720. Rate of interest will be 9.25% to 15% at reducing rate for salaried person and for self-employed person 9.75% to 15% at reducing rate. Turnaround time is 7 days for salaried and 15 days for self-employed. Insurance and other charges are 1% to 4%. Processing fee will be 1.50% plus GST. Part payment is allowed. Home loan OD product is not allowed. LTV will be if loan amount is lower than 30 lakh to 90%, if more than 30 to 80% of property value. Products are new home product, plot purchase plus construction, seller BT, BT plus top-up, home renovation. Co-applicant is mandatory. Business vintage for self-employed person should be 2 years. Job experience for salaried person is 1 year. Experience with current employer should be 3 months. A unique selling point or USP is one of the important things in a company or business. USP of Capri Global Bank Home Loan funding on without ITR up to 1 crore, basement with map. FOIR will be if income is less than 20,000 to 40% of salary, and if more than 20,000 to 50% of salary of income, for self-employed 100% of income. Location will be 50 km. Let's talk about some negative points. Negative profiles are applicant living in dominated area, politician, NRI, wine shop, criminal lawyer, property dealer, cash salary. Negative properties are GPA property, auction purchase, unapproved fourth and above floor, demolition list property. There is no specific product for professionals. Required documents for salaried. KYC of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3 months salary slip of applicant. Last 12-month bank statement of applicant and co-applicant. Last 2 year Form 16 of applicant. 26 as of last 2 year of applicant and co-applicant. Appointment letter of applicant if available. Agreement to sale if purchase case. Property paper with complete chain of last 13 years. Approved map of property if available. LOD, list of documents, foreclosure statement and SOA, statement of account, if BT case. Sanction letter of all running loan. Latest utility bill if owned residence or rent agreement if rented. To reference with contact details. Required documents for self-employed. KYC of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year ITR with computation of income of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year tax audited balance sheet of applicant. Last 12-month bank statement of applicant and co-applicant. 26 as of last 2 year of applicant and co-applicant. Copy of GST registration. Copy of MSME registration. Copy of last 12-month GST return. Agreement to sale if new purchase case. Property paper with complete chain of last 13 years. Approved map of property if available. LOD, list of documents, foreclosure statement and SOA, statement of account, if BT case. Sanction letter of all running loan. Debt sheet. Latest utility bill of residence if owned or rent agreement if rented. Latest utility bill of office if owned or rent agreement if rented. To reference with contact details. Last 3-year debtors and creditors on letterhead. List of directors and shareholders if applicant if company or list of partners if applicant is partnership LLP.